Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for GoDaddy detailed guide step by step clearly. Go to the GoDaddy website by entering the URL in your browser. On the home page, locate the sign in option in the upper right corner. Click on sign in to access the login page. Look for the create an account link, usually found below the login form. Click on create an account. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Ensure your password meets the complexity requirements displayed. Optionally, you can provide additional information like your phone number for account recovery. After entering your details, review the user agreement and privacy policy. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Click the Create Account button to submit your information. You may receive a verification email to confirm your email address. Open your email and look for the verification message from GoDaddy. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. After verification, return to the GoDaddy login page. Enter your newly created credentials in the login form. Click Sign in to access your GoDaddy account dashboard. You are now successfully registered and can start using GoDaddy services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.